Zscaler posting strong results for the first quarter, but that stock reacting to the company's guidance as well as the announcement of its chief financial officer retiring. Here to walk us through all of it is Zscaler CEO Jay Chaudhry. Jay, it is good to see you as always. Let's start with that earnings report, Jay, because this is the first time we had a chance to catch up, get your take. You know, Jay, I saw some analysts on the street who cover the company, and at least some of them were saying, you know, Q1 well executed. The guide, in their words, tepid, but I want to get your take on the report and the forecast. Walk us through what you're seeing in the business, Jay.
So Josh, Q1 was well executed, very strong results. If you look at our revenue growth, 26%, our free cash flow margin, 46%, record high, our gross margin, over 80%. In fact, we really delivered the rule of 70 plus. Most SaaS companies aspire to do rule of 40. And this rule is you take your revenue growth plus free cash flow margin to get to 70, puts on a rarefied air. About 5 of the top 145 companies are in that space. I think it's wonderful. Sometimes the market focuses too much on day-to-day stock price. I think if you do that, you miss out on the big picture. We are focused on the big picture to protect our customers, to make them safe.
And Jay, if you focus on the big picture as well and look ahead to 2025, we've been talking a lot today about the outlook for the economy, the outlook for the markets, the outlook for the enterprise spending cycle. And on that front, Jay, what are you seeing in terms of your billings, in terms of your outlook for 2025, in terms of the strength of that enterprise spending cycle?
Yeah, I talk to lots and lots of CIOs and CISOs out there. The market remains tight. There is scrutiny on large deals. But if you do two things, CIOs will want to work with you. Number one, good cybersecurity with zero trust architecture, because the firewall-based, VPN-based security is no longer working. But along with cyber, if you can tell the CIO that I can take some cost out and save money, you can get the deals done and you can deliver good numbers. That's how Zscaler has done business. That's why 45% of Fortune 500 companies now are our customers. So we have a pretty strong outlook for fiscal 25 or calendar 25.
Jay, another headline that came out of the report that I know the street was very focused on were some changes in the C-suite. Your CFO is retiring. Those are big shoes to fill. Jay, walk us through that news.
Yeah. Remo is a great CFO, is a great friend and partner. He joined me before Zscaler went public. It has been a great partnership for 8 years. And he did want to retire. People want to retire at some stage of their life. The good news is, Remo is staying with us till the successor is selected and successor is on board. Our search has already started, and we have lots of interesting and capable candidates to join us. So not at least worry about it. And Remo will remain as an advisor even afterwards as well.
You mentioned the sort of scrutiny of large deals that you're seeing on the part of your customers, and you well know it's a competitive environment, right? So everybody's trying to eat everybody else's lunch here. So what's the plan in the next year to close those large deals, to keep those large customers, Jay?
For us to close large deals, customers are looking for having an integrated platform that can eliminate the bunch of point products that don't work well and have highly operational cost. We are one of the few companies that actually do cost elimination. We eliminate firewalls, VPNs, VDI, segmentation, a lot of those products. In fact, many times when we show the ROI for our customers, they kind of say, it's too good to be true. A lot of other companies can't do it. Take, for example, firewalls. The biggest install base of security is out there, firewalls. You think firewalls guys can save costs? Not really. Zscaler can, and that's why our customers are buying our products. You saw a number of 7-figure deals we did and announced during the quarter.
And Jay, we always want your broad take as well on just the overall threat landscape. Jay, a lot of bad actors out there. What are you seeing?
It's getting worse and worse. You had all these guys doing traditional phishing and the like. Now AI is out there. AI is powerful. AI is dangerous, but we need to fight AI with AI. So we are actually adding AI powered capabilities that can help find a needle in a haystack, find some bad threats. I think the big thing enterprises need to do is shake off inertia and embrace some of these newer, better technologies. When it comes to the type of threats, nation states want state seekers, nation states want to use it as a weapon, and the other guys want to make money. That's why ransomware attacks are on the rise, and we are helping our customers. I personally believe that Zscaler customers are a lot safer than customers who depend upon firewalls.
Jay, always great to have you on the show. Thank you for making time for us.
Josh and Julie, thank you for having me.